EV charging stations depend on reliable connectivity for payments, remote monitoring, and software updates. But what happens if the network drops? That's where eSIM technology comes in. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today we're talking about eSIMs for EV charging stations and why they're a game changer. Before we get started, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more videos. Unlike traditional SIM cards, eSIMs are built directly into the device and can be updated remotely. This means no physical SIM swaps, no manual interventions, just seamless, continuous connectivity. Depending on the provider, eSIMs can support multi-carrier coverage. If one network has weak coverage, the charger automatically switches to the strongest available signal, ensuring reliable connectivity with zero downtime. For operators managing EV chargers worldwide, eSIMs eliminate logistical headaches. Chargers can be activated, updated, and managed remotely. No need for physical SIM replacements, making global expansion faster and more efficient. With eSIM technology, EV charging stations are more reliable, scalable, and future-proof than ever. As the EV industry grows, seamless connectivity will be the key to keeping charging networks efficient and always online.
Today, we're exploring a crucial part of EV charging that often goes unnoticed: connectivity. It's what allows EV chargers to communicate, process payments, and deliver a seamless charging experience. Before we get started, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more videos. EV charging stations rely on several types of connectivity to stay online and functional. Wi-Fi is common in urban areas where stable internet is available. However, its limited range and network congestion can cause reliability issues. Ethernet offers stable, high-speed internet, but requires physical cabling, making it expensive and impractical for remote or roadside chargers. Bluetooth works well for quick local communication, like syncing a phone app to a charger, but it's not designed for continuous data transfers or remote monitoring. This is where cellular connectivity comes in. With 4G and 5G networks, EV chargers can maintain real-time communication anywhere with network coverage. Unlike Wi-Fi or Ethernet, cellular networks don't need fixed infrastructure. This makes them perfect for remote chargers on highways, rural areas, or temporary charging stations at events. Cellular connectivity supports essential tasks like payment processing, remote diagnostics, and software updates, ensuring that chargers operate smoothly 24/7. eSIM technology takes cellular connectivity to the next level. An eSIM is an embedded SIM card that can be updated remotely without replacing hardware. Depending on your provider, you can have multi-carrier coverage as well. This means EV chargers will stay connected, even if one network has poor coverage. They can automatically switch to the strongest available signal, reducing downtime. This technology is also ideal for global scaling. Operators can activate chargers in different countries remotely without SIM card swapping and service interruptions. As EV adoption grows, connectivity is the backbone of the charging ecosystem. From enabling seamless payments to ensuring chargers are always online, technologies like cellular networks and eSIMs are setting new industry standards. If you want to learn more about cellular connectivity for EV charge points, check out our site. If you found this breakdown helpful, hit like, subscribe, and stay tuned for more videos. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.